this new game called Taka Kitchen 2. So and as you can see, there's Sims 3, Sims Free Play there, and Jurassic World. I've already started both of them, but I thought I uploaded both of them, but it actually didn't turn out working. So today I'm gonna do Taka Kitchen 2. It's a nice, fun, simple game to do, so I like it a lot. And it's very easy and doesn't take too long. And yeah, I was playing it too. You guys hear yourself? I'm gonna play as a monster. What I'm gonna give him is food. So you just make food for them, like anything you want. So right now I'm gonna give him a nice. They don't have pizza in this game. Yeah? Yeah? Sorry guys, that's my dad. Yeah, so I don't like this one. Okay, now put that in there. Oh, go in. Probably. Oh, it fits. Usually stuff like that does not fit. So here's the next one. Probably. So now something that in. Okay. Now since he's a monster, I'm just gonna give him this. The after thing. So yeah. Oh! I have to stop the video here, guys. So, I'll see you later. I get to record the second part of this today, sorry. Bye. Bye.